Hey everyone, just wanted to jump in here before I start the video to say I'm sorry for the sound quality. I wasn't using my lapel mic and it works great when I use it. When I forget to use it, it doesn't work so great. So if you have any suggestions on ones that work even when you forget to use them, I'd love to hear it. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into the video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe at the end of it. I sure do appreciate the support. Thanks a lot. Enjoy. Hey everyone, what we're going to be doing today is swapping out the cartridge in my Moen Posi-temp shower faucet. I actually got the Danco replacement, not the Moen. It's about $20 cheaper. I'll put a link below for you if you want to pick up one of these for yourself. This is a pretty easy process. First thing you want to do is make sure your water is off to the house. Typically you're not going to have a way to turn the water off at the valve itself, so the whole house needs to be turned off for this process. First thing, you got to take this plate off here. And the handle. The whole thing pops off. This piece pull out. Make sure you kind of remember the direction each one of these things is pointed in when you take it out. This collar should just slide off. There's a little washer that goes on, slides on the end of that. That'll pull off. Now, you want to make sure you've relieved all the water pressure out of this. I actually turned on my tub to make sure that all the water has had a chance to drain out of it. Now there's a little clip right here. You can use a screwdriver or pocket knife, something like that. And this little clip will pull straight up out of the top. That is all that holds this cartridge into the faucet. So before you pull this out, make sure your water is off, make sure there's no pressure on it. The new cartridge comes with this little tool here. That is what you're going to use to kind of break the seal on your old cartridge. You put it on there, use some channel locks or a pair of pliers just to kind of work it back and forth just a little bit to break that seal, and the whole thing should pull out. This is the hardest part of this whole thing, is just trying to get this out. So I finally got it out. These washers are supposed to be in here like this, but it's been in there for a long time, you can tell. And so you want to make sure, if yours disintegrates like that, that you get all the little pieces out of that opening before you try to put the new one back in. Alright, you should have, with your new kit, a little tube of oil. This is going to go on your seals and on your O-ring there. And you'll see on the end of it, I don't know if you can see that or not, it has an H and a C, hot side, cold side. This pill shape should just kind of pull apart.
bit of that oil on both sides. Rub it around with just use your finger. That's just going to help to create a nice seal when you put it back in. Should slide all the way back in. Take your clip, and that slides in the little gap back there. You may have to adjust it slightly using your tool there that came with it, just to make sure it's lined up properly so that clip can slide in. Should just slide it down. You gotta make sure it goes down all the way though. The little square part should be the only part that you can still see up above the edge of the faucet body there. Alright, your little washer should go on. This piece. Actually, this piece will go on next. This piece. And then your handle. And then your cover plate here. Clips right back in place. That's all there is to it.
Appreciate you tuning in today. Hopefully the sound quality wasn't too bad, and I hope you found this helpful. Now you can turn your water back on and enjoy your leak-free shower. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that like if it helped you out. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.